you swear that the testimony you will give before this committee will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please be seated.
We found that investigators failed to meet their basic obligation that the FISA applications be scrupulously accurate. We identified significant inaccuracies and omissions in each of the 4 applications, 7 in the first FISA application, and a total of 17 by the final renewal application. As a result of these significant inaccuracies and omissions, the FISA applications made it appear as though the evidence supporting probable cause was stronger than it actually was.
Again, not because of Inspector Horowitz's fault, but just the fact that he is constrained.
In September 2016, immediately after the Crossfire Hurricane team received reporting from Christopher Steele containing allegations regarding Page's alleged activities with certain Russian officials, FBI attorneys advised the department that it was ready to move forward with a request to obtain FISA authority to surveil Page. We concluded that the Steele reporting played a central and essential role in the decision to seek a FISA order. Whether programs they're authorizing, in this case FISA, that are...
Did you find any documentary or testimonial evidence that the decision to open the investigation was political?
We did not.
Did you find any documentary or testimonial evidence that the decision to open the investigation was motivated by bias against President Trump?
We did not.
Your report states that in mid-2016, the FBI was investigating attempts by Russia to hack into political campaigns, parties, and election interference. Is that correct?
Right. We put that in there for background purposes. Correct.
Right. Your report also states that the FBI received information from a friendly foreign government that Russia offered to assist the Trump campaign. Is that correct?
Correct. We lay out the precise words that Mr. Papadopoulos reportedly stated to the friendly foreign government.
Great. Mr. Horowitz, in addition to your role as the DOJ Inspector General, you also serve as the...
Mr. Horowitz, did you find any evidence that the FBI engaged in spying on the Trump campaign?
So we're very careful to use the words, the legal words that are used here, which is surveillance. There was the Carter Page surveillance that we've identified here. We did not find evidence of other court-authorized surveillance. We found the confidential human source activity that we detail here and didn't find additional confidential human source activity prior to the election.
If I could close with this, did the report find that the FBI engaged in surveillance of Trump Tower?
We did not find evidence of surveillance on Trump Tower.
And did the report find that any monitoring of Trump campaign officials occurred without necessary FBI approvals?
All of the monitoring activities were approved.
Activities. After being asked 3 times by Department of Justice Attorney Stu